In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely reinstall Slack on your Mac. If Slack has been acting up, maybe it's crashing, freezing, or just not updating properly, a clean reinstall is often the quickest fix. We'll walk through quitting the app, removing it, downloading a fresh copy, and installing it again. Don't worry, your messages and files are stored in the cloud, so you won't lose anything. You'll just sign back in at the end. First, quit Slack and make sure it's fully closed. Click Slack in the menu bar and choose Quit, or right-click the Slack icon in the dock and select Quit. If the app seems stuck, you can use Force Quit from the Apple menu, choose Slack, and confirm. Give it a second to close completely so no background processes are running. Next, remove the app itself. Open your Applications folder, find Slack, and drag it to the trash. This step removes the program files from your Mac. You don't need to empty the trash for this process to work. Simply moving Slack there is enough. If your Mac asks for permission, enter your computer's administrator credentials to approve the change. Now download a fresh copy of Slack. You can do this two ways. Either visit the official Slack website and download the Mac installer, or open the App Store and search for Slack. Using the official website or the App Store ensures you're getting the legitimate, up-to-date version without any unwanted extras. If you're using the website download, you'll receive a disk image file. Double-click it to open, then drag the Slack icon into your Applications folder when prompted. If you're using the App Store, just click Get or Install and let macOS handle the rest. Finally, open Slack from your Applications folder or Launchpad. You'll be prompted to sign back in. Since Slack stores your messages, channels, and files online, everything will be there once you log in. If you use multiple workspaces, you can add them again during sign-in. After you're in, it's a good idea to check your preferences and notifications, as you may want to reapply any custom settings. And that's it. You quit Slack, removed the old app, downloaded a clean copy, and reinstalled it. This simple process fixes most odd glitches and gets you back to work quickly. If problems continue, make sure macOS is up to date and that you installed Slack from an official source. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Slack running smoothly again.